Smoke until the stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, talk just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all this.
What is going on, my dogs? My name is Madison and I am the auction dog, and today we are checking back into you with another auction episode. I'm hitting a lot today over here in Florida, where I live, Sarasota. And yeah, man, we're gonna go try to pick up some cars. There's a nice little Subaru out here today and a few other cars that I really do like. And hopefully we can make something happen, man. Make something shake. Let's get to it. So you really can't make this kind of shit up. So I'm looking at this. It's a 2004 4Runner, but this is the V8 one, the SR5. So it's got the sport hood V8, which is like a rare option. And it's a nice car, right? But then you walk in, you're like, oh, let me go check this thing out. It's black, it's cool. It's disgusting. Keep it clean. Keep it freaking clean, they say. Keep it clean, full of trash. The car's disgusting. Look at this. You know it's a chick's car. You know that's a chick's car? Look. Woman's car. We all love being in women's cars, but they're disgusting. It's freaking nasty in here. Look at this. Tweezers. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, dude. The level of schmeg inside of this car is disgusting. I'm sorry, but you're a filthy whore. I bet I could find out who it is too. Oh, look, you got Belle's magazine stuff in here, huh? Bella's nails. Oop, definitely a woman. Criminal record. Parties with employees at her house. Oh my God, yes. Oh, perfect. Flame, wow, amazing. It seems like a desirable here. Parties with employees at her house. Got a flat tire going on here. Got an Ed Hardy. Good old Ed Hardy windscreen there. Free beach chair with your purchase. Look, the makeup and shit, the lipstick, the dabs. Bro, this thing's fucking gnarly, man. Oh my God. Look at that, there's lottery tickets in here. Bunch of Ed Hardy stuff. Look at her lipstick. Got your masks like this. She just traded it in, didn't even friggin'. Oh, you're screwed. Tell you exactly who it is. What do you think her first name is? Huh? What do you think her first name is? It's Christy. It's freaking Christy. And I bet if I look this up, it's probably close to El Prazolam or something. Oh, and they got some, oh my God, lipstick and all kinds of other weird shit. This lady is a freaking disgusting whore. I bet I could look her up online and figure out exactly who she is. It's disgusting. Get a friggin' A, dude. It just, you can't make this stuff up. This is so candid. It's like literally happening. Oh yeah. Oh wow. And you left your registration in here. You're busted. You're busted. Look at it. Look at the gear shifter. Look at the door panel over there. This is ridiculous. This is the kind of shit I'm talking about. This is an $8,000 car. 8 grand for one of these. Look at it. It's like, dude, oh man. Don't be one of these kind of people. Just clean up your car. And if you're gonna trade it in, clean it up before you trade it in, for Christ's sake, because then it just makes you look stupid. Whoa, look at this freaking thing, dude. Oh my God. It's a Z06, it's a C7 Z06, but boy, like, look, it's got red, it's like almost like a red carbon, dude. It's not red, but it is damn close. The hood is like nothing.
Yeah.
That's insane. Look at the LT4.
Step away from the Corvette, sir.
Oh my God. It's got red, like carbon's like red or something, right? Nuts. Dude, it's so pretty. It's like freaking A. Dude, look at that. The interior's money on that too. Freaking A, man. Look at it. Perfect street spec C7, dude. Oh man. I love non-tinted cars too. I know I shouldn't, but it's crazy how light the hood is on this thing. Like, it's nothing. You don't often see long roofs in here like that, man. She's cherry. I don't know what the chassis code is for this one. This 2003 E320 wagon. Really clean. It's in good shape. Runs good. This is doing 3 or 4 grand here. But dude, she's freaking nice, dude. Mint condition. It's got 56,000 original miles on it, dude. 56,000, 58,000. 2001 Z3. It's automatic. Got your M Tri-Split steering wheel. Sorry. I'm gonna make that adjust probably. Dude, the interior is mint, dude. This whole thing is mint, dude. Top sucks. But it's a 3-liter too. This thing is mint. Look at it. Look at the hood. Z's are getting so expensive nowadays, dude. To touch anything like this is crazy money. And it's literally just an E36. That's all it is. With a different body on it, pretty much. It's a 3-liter. It's just such a badass little car, dude. And they run really good. They're fast as hell because they're just tiny and they're agile. It's just so good. I can't remember. I'm gonna look at this color code. Is so nice too. Sienna Rot 2 metallic. Yeah, I love it. Look at it. Oh man, she's perfect. That 3-liter too. Look how big the engine is, and it's such a tiny car. Huge motor. Huge. My buddy Jeff has one of these, and it's literally all of this stuff's cut out. I filmed videos with that before. But dude, she's cherry. She's cherry, brother. This is a new one for me. This is a new one for me. I love highlighting weird stuff, but this is a new one here. So we got this little Ford Escape, kind of a piece of shit. And so I'm looking around in here, right? I'm like, oh, clothes hangers, you know, just trash everywhere. Probably a chick's car. Sure, we can find out if we wanted to. Like, you could probably already see what's so weird. Yeah, it's totally a chick's car. Look at makeup and shit, different things. It's disgusting in here. Look, she didn't even clean it out. Look, look. Oh, that's totally a chick's car, dude. I love you, honey bunch. Love Kinsey Hill. Okay. They glued a freaking incense burner in here. It's glued in. Look at it. Look, it was double-sided tape on here. Dude, they're burning incense in here while they're driving around. Like, this is ridiculous, dude. She's gonna ohm her way into not cleaning her freaking car, dude. Not even a little bit. It's like, oh my God. You're all filthy humans. You guys all think that you're like morally superior, but you're filthy humans. There she is, man. I really like this thing. I'm gonna look for the paint coat on it. Because I think it's a Shakir orange. Oh, there's the freaking... Oh, of course. Hood latch is broken. I think this is a Shakir orange, if I'm not mistaken. It's quite a rare color, actually. But I mean, the sum of this thing's parts is worth way more than what the car would even be worth here. For one, to begin, I mean, look at all the panel gaps and stuff. Like, nothing's very good. Coloring's all weird. This carbon roof is completely wasted. It's gritty. And it's got hole there. This is busted through. That needs to be resealed, repaired, something. Look at these though. Full-blown HREs. A little corroded, but those are 20s. Those are worth fucking 2,000 or 3,000 right there. You know, look at the exhaust. I bet the intake's got it too, but can't get the hood off. Look at Active Auto Works exhaust. Shakir orange M6, dude. The motor runs. That's worth 3,000-4,000 right there. But something's up with the SMG. It doesn't work properly. Dude, this car is so sweet though. It's like, it doesn't get much better than that. I really love the way these are shaped. They're so pretty. Look at the carbon front lip. Front lip's carbon. Painted half of it. Whoever had this thing put a lot of money and time into it when they first had it. You know? Put a lot of effort into it. It's so nice, dude. And I think this no sold last auction for like 4 or 5 or 10 or 8. Maybe it's less than that. It's like 6,000. They're gonna try to get all their money out of this. They paid $5 grand for this car. This thing ran through auction 6 months ago. They got it for 5,000, 5,500. Bad SMG pump, but it ran. And I would have never fixed it. I would have parted it out. I don't know who fixed it. I think that was a terrible idea. But then I watched it sit on the side of the road, down the road from here for 6 months while they fixed it. And now it's here again. They're gonna try to get their money out of it. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. It's just, it's totaled. I mean, it's mechanically totaled. You know, the amount of money that it would take to fix this thing is far less than what it's actually worth. The fact that the S85 even runs is a lot, is crazy. You know, but how nice is this thing? When this was brand new, like, it don't get much better than that, dude. It doesn't. It doesn't. Look at the shape of it. It's the freaking Batmobile, dude. I drive that every day, but sad to see him. Sad to see it in this level of disarray. Like, whoever had it didn't take care of it, and then they didn't love it, or maybe somebody got it who didn't love it, and that just sucks. It really does. But there you go. That's how they end, right there. It really always amazes me how fucked up the cars can get, you know what I'm saying, and how people think that like they'll fix them. I don't really know how to phrase that, but it's like, it's just really comical to me, because this car started off as the same place as other 2006s, and those other ones don't look like this. For one, it has 281,000 miles on it, which is surprising. Look at the exhaust tips, dude. They're bent. Got a big old scratch in the bumper. Broken, right? Look it up here. Kind of like the wheels. Look at this. Just pookied it up, full of silicone. Some more pookie over here. Oh, nice. Some weird headlight deal going on here. Everything's missing on the front bumper. Then we got nice infrared front windshield, but it's been smashed, so it has to be replaced. But that's the radar blocking front windshield, I believe. Look, it's pookied there. Look at this. They just wood glued the freaking window up. Like, it doesn't work no more. Let's just wood glue it. The interior color on this thing's beautiful. Nice color. It's a nice car. Look at here. Look at the steering wheel. Somehow that exploded. So they just taped it instead of getting a new airbag. This is far gone. Too far gone for me to touch, you know? It's crazy. You gotta take care of your shit, man, for real. So we're on the way out of here. That's pretty much all we got for today. I do appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't already, check out theauctiondawg.com. You can get merch on there. You can check up with our builds on there. Keep up with everything we're doing. I do appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have watched this long, thank you very much. Check out our other content, all our other stuff. Subscribe to the Instagram, blah, blah, blah. Do whatever you got to do. Peace out, my dogs. Have a good rest of your day.